Here's how exactly you can create a personalized insurance quotation form in just a few clicks. With quotation forms, you can gather information from clients to create accurate and customized price quotations, but not only. It also helps to estimate the price and to plan programs for items or services. Follow this step-by-step tutorial and start using it for yourself. So hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content, and let's get started. So let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is to create a form. Today, let's use this insurance quote form template. Here in the Design tab, you can change the look of your form, change the colors, add a background image, and even customize the text on the buttons and messages. In the Edit tab, you can see all the fields that you can add to your form, use the drag and drop to rearrange the order of your fields, or delete fields by simply clicking on it. And here in the description, after the title, you can add some information about your service or your company. Great, now let's say that you want to collect data from your customers based on different categories. To do this, you can use a single choice or drop-down field to add your options as the answer. Then you can show or hide the next fields on your form with the logic here in the Logic tab. Let's click on Advanced Logic, and as you can see here, we have two options for the type of insurance. Option 1 Personal, Option 2 Company. Now for your question, let's add a condition. If the type is option 1 personal, then show client name and client address. This means that by default, the company name and company address fields are hidden. But if the user chooses option 1 personal as the insurance type, they will get visible automatically. Now let's add another condition. For example, if the type is option 2, company, then show company name and company address. This means that by default, the client name and client address fields are hidden. But if the user chooses option 2, company as the insurance type, they will get visible automatically. This way, you can manage to fill out your form faster and reach any field you need based on the options before. Awesome! Now to calculate the total estimated costs, you can use variable fields and select formula type so you can calculate different fields together. And for each field, we need an ID to calculate the total price in the formula and also for showing the calculated price in the table that we create in our form. IDs are unique identifiers of fields, and they help you call the field's value in formulas and for answer piping. As you can see here, this form has a section field in which it shows the calculated total cost, the estimated cost of insurance, discounts, tax, and of course the total payable amount. And here, you can also see we have a number field for the estimated cost of insurance, and we named the ID for this field cost. The next field is a number field for the discounts you want to add to the total price with an ID named discounts. Now it's time to add variable fields. Variables are used for hidden calculated values and can be used as references, such as for calculated value controls and rules. So the next field is a variable field for calculating the net cost, which is cost minus discounts. By this formula, cost discounts, and we named the ID net. Next is the payable tax, including 10% of the net cost. As you can see in the formula, it's calculating 10 multiplied by net cost and divided by 100. This formula is like this, and the ID is tax. And little tip for you here, for all variable fields, set the number of decimal places to 2, so decimal amounts can be calculated and added to the total price. Okay, now to show the total tax, which is 10% on your form, use a section field to pipe the calculated value of the tax. You can use the answer piping feature to pass a variable field value to another field in your form. And for this, you should pipe the value inside the description like double braces, tax, double braces. The last variable is the total estimated cost, which is the sum of the net cost and total tax with this formula, net plus tax, and the ID is total underscore cost. So you can pipe this total estimated cost in the next field to be visible on your form. Great, now let's see how you can show these values in the form so that your user can see them too. Just put the ID of your field in double braces and it will automatically show the field's value there. You can also make a section field and pipe your prices there. Just write all the values inside the description and organize them in the tables or any design that you want. And that's it, we have created an insurance quotation form in just a few clicks. You can also create an app and customize it to see all your data in one place, for example. But also you can print out your form and information for your customers to share the results with them. You can sign up at Formaloo for free and start boosting your audience engagement and grow even faster. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. Happy Formalooing!